Do you have an issue on how to change your Facebook page URL or your Facebook page username? If that be the case, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that in 2024. Here, you have to first log in into your Facebook account or your Facebook page using a browser. Click at the top right corner on your profile, and then you will see all the different profiles that are linked to this account. Here, you can click on see all profiles if at all there are other profiles, so select the one that you want to change. In Facebook, either your personal account is grouped along with your Facebook pages, so you have to select only pages so that you can customize the URL. Click on the one that you want to activate it. Click again on the icon, and then you go to settings and privacy. Click on settings, and then you scroll down, click on page setup, click on the view, that is view the name, and this is exactly where you can change your page username. Click on edit, and then you type in whatever you want to type. Make sure you type something similar to your Facebook page. What I do, I always use my Facebook page as my Facebook username. Click here and type menu du jour. Okay, they said menu du jour as my Facebook page name is not available at the moment. I will add 2 at the end to see if that is available, and they said yes. So if I'm happy with this, I will just click on save changes. To confirm your modifications, you have to put your password, that is the password of the personal Facebook profile linking to that Facebook page. Type in your password, and then you go to submit. Click again on the icon, select the Facebook page, and now you will see that this has been customized into what you wanted to get. That is exactly how you can change your Facebook page username or your Facebook page link in 2024. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to let us know in the comment section what you think about this video, and if you are not already a subscriber, please hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that next time you will be alerted each time we drop a new video. Sharing this video with your friends is a way of showing appreciation or supporting this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.